Alright, here is a 52-inch Hunter Studio Series remote ceiling fan. I installed here in my guest bedroom / office. I got this ceiling fan brand new in the box off of eBay for what I think was around $50. And there's the top, the tag. It's flush mounted. It did come with a down rod because it was brand new in the box. The light kit on it came from Habitat. There's the inside of it. It's got reversible white to washed oak blades. It's got the Hunter logo on the motor housing and the switch housing. It's a very nice ceiling fan. Does its job well. Replaced a 52-inch Crest Hugger ceiling fan. It's from March of 1995. And it's called the Studio Series Remote for a reason. It's not called Studio Series Remote for nothing, because it comes with a remote. Hunter. So I'll demonstrate the light first. Now I am aware that I already have a video of this fan, but a few things have changed, like it's flush mounted, that's not really that big. The fact that I put a light kit on it is a pretty big change, and also it's not in the garage anymore, so I figured I'd just make another video of this fan. I mean, why not? So, turn the light back off. Now to demonstrate the fan. Low. Got a nice majestic low speed to it. This fan is pretty much silent for the most part. Does its job well. Medium. It's got a little bit of a rattling from the globe. I'll be able to work that out probably. Yeah, my mom usually leaves this fan on either medium or low, depending on how hot it is when she's up here in her office working. So, yeah. And now for high. Yeah, this fan, it blows quite a bit of air. Like I said, it's pretty much silent. There's the light again. And I'll shut it off at the switch. And if you leave the switch in the off position for more than I think is what, like 2 or 3 seconds, the fan will be reset. But if you turn it back on in less than like 2 to 3 seconds, it will start back up of where it was before you turn the switch off. So, yeah, that is it. This is my 52-inch Hunter Studio Series remote ceiling fan installed in the guest bedroom / office. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. WaluigiMan8689, out.